Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories and gadgets, and PopSockets. You know them, you love them. They come in all sorts of different colors and designs. As you probably know, it's a phone grip, so you just pull it out like this, use your fingers, hold on to it like this. You can take better selfies, do what you need to do on your phone, and lots of fun designs. They also double as a phone stand, so you can pop it out just like so, put your phone up, and put it just like this. But what if you have a pop socket and let's say you no longer like that color? Let's say you want to change things up. Let's say you have just a plain black pop socket. Well, I'm here today to show you guys something really cool from my friend Kimbyrleigha. Go ahead and check her out. I'll leave a link down below here and go ahead and check out her website. Custom skins, so you can repurpose or redesign your pop socket. What you get in here are basically three different applications. You get the top right here, which goes on top of the pop socket. You get a design for the base, which goes around the bottom of the pop socket. I've never understood why PopSockets doesn't put a design around the bottom here, but with this you can actually do that. And then you also get this other insert right here. You're probably looking at going, what's that for? Well, if you're familiar with the pop socket clip, this is for your car or in your house, in your office, wherever. You just stick this on here and your pop socket can basically slip right in here like this to hold it up where you need it. This design right here, the smaller one, goes inside here. So I saw Kim do her video on these custom pop socket skins, and I'll leave a link down below. You can also check out the card right here. I wanted to check them out because she's done her own custom colors and designs. Now they're actually done by a company called Raptor Skins, but these designs and colors are exclusive to her and her website. And again, link will be down below. You go ahead and check them out. And she's doing it at a really affordable price too. They're $6.95 for each sheet, regular $8.99. So she's actually permanently discounted them there, so you don't have to look for a discount code. She's put a permanent discount there for you guys. Right here we have Kimbyrleigh's website. Again, it's kimber.com. Go ahead and check them out. And you can scroll through here. You can see that she has a lot of different cases, things like that. If you're looking for the pop socket covers, just go up to the menu here, skins for pop sockets right there, and you can see all the different designs right here. So here's the purple one we're gonna put on. Here's all the other designs. You can check them out. And then of course, if you want to buy one, just go ahead and click on it here. It's gonna take you to a separate website here with Raptors. And as you guys can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom this in. As I said before, Kimbyrleigha is giving you guys a permanent discount, $6.95 each, which I think is really good value as opposed to regular $8.99. Go ahead and add to your cart. It is fulfilled by Raptor Skins, but again, they are exclusive designs from Kimbyrleigha, so go ahead and check that out. The ordering process, getting them shipped to my place here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, was super simple, really easy to do, so that's the ordering process right there. The designs I have here are Unicorn Bomb Galore. This guy right here is purple and gilded marble. Right here we have Nebula 0003, I think. And this right here, black and white flowers. So the one that I thought was the coolest was this purple and gold a gilded marble here. I thought that this one was the coolest. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply this to a pop socket and what it's basically going to look like. Now, if you want to go with just Kimbyrleigh's designs, and again, she has many different designs on there, the cheapest and the easiest way for you to do this is to either A, pick a pop socket you just don't care about and you want to just repurpose and change out, or you can just pick up yourself a plain black pop socket. So these ones are usually the cheapest to find out there, so check out online there or your local retailer. Go ahead and pick it up. I'm going to show you guys how this works here. You're basically going to need the sheet here, your pop socket, and you're also going to need a hair dryer. The application process of the custom skin here from Kimbyrleigha is really simple. As it says right here, make sure you're applying to a clean pop socket. So if you need to use an alcohol wipe or whatever to go ahead and clean off your pop socket, go ahead and do that. I've already done that with this one here. It's actually brand new, nothing's ever been on it, and it's actually very simple. You just go ahead and peel this off here, and of course you've got to have a steady hand. So my recommendation would be to kind of start at an edge here and basically lay it on. Once you've got the skin on here, it's not completely applied to the pop socket. You do need to heat up the glue that's on the bottom of the decal here, so you can easily peel this off if you need to and reposition if you need to, if you're not happy with the positioning. But once you are happy with the positioning, what you want to do is you want to grab your hair dryer, and hopefully you have one, and just go ahead and heat up the glue of the sticker here. Give it one of these. And just press it down a little bit more, and that will be permanently on there in a good way. And it's got a good feel to it. It's got a nice high quality feel to it. So that is on there. That's on our plain black pop socket. You can see that looks really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and do the base. The base part here is actually done in 2 parts. So you want to peel this off, and we'll do the base like so. And basically you just want to put this right up against the edge there, and it just kind of sits right in there. Real simple. Just like that, you can see. And now we're going to do the other side. As you can see right here, you can't see the seam at all going all the way around. And then again, you want to do the same thing as we did before. We want to heat up and just get that glue activated there. So we'll go ahead and turn on our dryer again. That's heated up. We'll push that down. Got a brand new looking purple and gold gilded marble pop socket. Let's do the pop socket clip. Pretty simple. Just goes inside the clip here. Boom. Done. Push that down. Heat her up. And there we go. We're all done. So that is one application. And the best part is you can still go ahead and do 2 other pop sockets, or if you decide to take this off, if something happens, if this rips or whatever, you still got 2 more applications right there. So I think that's really good value for $6.95 right there. Kimbyrleigha's custom pop socket designs there. Again, guys, this is just a sample of what she has. Go ahead and check out her website. Link is down below. Go ahead and check out her YouTube channel as well. I'll go ahead and leave a link down there. Tell her that that Zach says hi. And yeah, if you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. And we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.